Stall warning active. I'm pulling up now. Flaps negative. Check the hydraulics. We are losing altitude fast.
Scramble! All available jets, immediately to the border. We are under attack.
All jets, execute emergency takeoff procedures. Go, go, go!
Mover 1 is airborne.
Activating countermeasures.
Tower, F-14, requesting immediate departure. Cleared for takeoff. Good hunting.
Get him inside, quickly! Cover us, cover us! They're everywhere, keep moving!
Afterburners engaged. Liftoff sequence initiated. We have incoming.
Clear the perimeter, move!
Pull up! We are losing altitude!
Engine fire left. I am trying the suppression system.
Iran's secret jets scrambled. What happened next will shock you.
Incoming missiles detected. I repeat, incoming!
Get me confirmation on those targets now!
We've lost contact with the southern sector.
Fatal error. Why this Iranian jet didn't make the climb?
Pull up! Mayday! Mayday! We're going down!
This is Flight 752. We have total systems failure. We are losing altitude rapidly. Pray for us. Goodbye.
Dear God, give us strength! We have to make it through this storm! Hold her steady!
Brave pilots or suicide mission. Iran's emergency scramble.
Eject! We are losing altitude! Oh Allah, save us! There is no God but God!
Viper 1-1, cleared for immediate takeoff. Strike package is live.
Copy that! Rolling now! 2's airborne!
One mistake. The tragic end of an Iranian fighter jet.
I've got the helmet, let's move to the cockpit!
Hurry! The weather is getting worse!
هشدار ارتفاع کم
داریم سقوط میکنیم کمک کنید سیستما از کار افتادن We're going down! Oh God!
Help us! Someone help us! Put on your masks!
Clear to launch. Get them airborne now.
Warning, multiple catastrophic impacts incoming. Execute evasive maneuvers immediately.
Roger that. Braking hard right.
Traveling at over 800 miles per hour, the jet initiated an extreme climb, pulling 7 Gs to avoid the towering granite peak by mere feet.
Execute the maneuver now. Bank angle increasing.
Roger. Controlling the roll. Speed is critical.
Stabilizing. Airspeed coming back to green zone.
Why Iran is scrambling its fighter jets right now?
We need to find the flight recorder. The snow is getting heavier.
Visibility is almost gone. We have to work fast.
سرعت هوا رو چک کن. داریم ارتفاع از دست میدیم.
دارم تلاش میکنم. نیروی کمکی فعال شد. وضعیت قرمز به سمت هدف حرکت کنید.
دارم میام دنبالت.
Tensions are escalating rapidly in the Gulf. As the region holds its breath, Iran's F-14 fleet scrambles into the golden hour sky. Shortly after takeoff, the aircraft suffered a catastrophic engine failure, leading to a rapid descent and impact just minutes later.
We have incoming at Sector 5. Engage immediately! Missile launch detected. Impact in 90 seconds. Countermeasures failing.